This video will show you how to run course coverage reports in Blackboard Ultra. As I'm logged in and automatically on the landing page for the BTC Home, I'm going to go over to the base navigation here on the left-hand side and click on Tools. Once I'm within the tools, I'm going to click right here on Goals. That will open a window that will show all of the courses, all of the programs that we have here at Blackhawk. So you're going to have to find the course that you want to run the course coverage report for. Rather than scrolling up and down throughout this entire menu, I like to use the Control F feature, which allows me to search for the course that I'm looking for. In this case, I'm looking for Dental Hygiene Process 4. It's going to pop up right away for me and bring me to that. Now I'm going to click on this little chevron drop down, and I'm going to click on Run Reports, which will open this window with the two options. We want the first option with the Goal Set Name Coverage Overview. Click on the down arrow again and click Run. Lastly, before the report is run, Blackboard gives you a choice of all courses, available courses, or unavailable courses. We're going to go with all courses and hit Submit. And now it's going to retrieve a course coverage report for all the courses that have been taught, whether they're in original, whether they're ultra, whether it's the template, whether it's the live course shell, whether it's a previous course shell, and the report has been run. It automatically pops up in a second window like this, and this is what it looks like initially, where it shows you your course competencies that are covered, your alignment of how you have it on the tags. So these are all 6 are tests that are being tagged here. And I can even click on the course competency itself to open it up and drill it down just a little bit further to see where those course competencies are tagged. And then this is what gets exported as a PDF file and placed into the program-specific folders on assessment day. So here is my course coverage report for Dental Hygiene Process 4. And in fact, if I click on Report Options and then I do a printable view, that's going to automatically put it into a PDF type format for me, where I can then save it onto my device and place it within that program-specific folder. And there it is. Those are course coverage reports that show you each of your competencies, where they're tagged, and that you have goal tags within your course at the end of each academic year.